Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how you can have multiple virtual desktops on your Windows 10 computer or laptop without any extra software. You press the Windows key and tab. You go to this screen where you have all your running applications, and then you have this new desktop. And this is a thing you press, and you have desktop 1 was your original one, and you can have a second desktop which is clean. Look at it. All your applications are still running. I have them on desktop 1. So if I press Windows and tab, I can switch between desktops, desktop 1 and desktop 2. I can open a new window and say here 2. And then I can go to desktop 1 and you see all those desktops there. All those windows there. I switch between them. I can make a new one, 3, 4. Actually, I'm curious how many I could do like this. Yeah, I guess you could have as many as you like. So it's interesting, it's useful if you have a lot of applications that you need to run in one place, and you always need to run them, keep them open. Some like log monitoring or a window or watching YouTube, and you don't want to see it here. You see the actual window here on this desktop, it doesn't show the tabs at all what I have on the other one. It's easy to switch between them, but if I want to clear new desktop environment, it's here. The applications are still running in the background. They are still on, and the only thing is that it's like having a second monitor or a third monitor or a fifth monitor. If you have 2 monitors, maybe you don't need this, but if you already have 2 or 3 monitors, there is a chance that you might have a lot of things going on at the same time, and you might want to clear even that space up. So it's always nice to have virtual desktops. One more thing. To close a virtual desktop, you guessed it, you press the X on top of it. It's very easy. Now, yeah, it even let me close that one, which I had open before. So it closes also the application. So when I closed that desktop, let's see what happens. Okay, so when I close the desktop, you see the 2 is now here, but also the other tabs. So it's kind of merging all these tabs together. That's good. It's good that it's not closing the programs. I was afraid that it might do that without warning me. But yeah, it's good. It's merging them. So that's all. I hope this video is helpful. Let me know in the comment section below if this helped you and how you use these virtual desktops, if you use them at all, or if you prefer to use the physical screens. Subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you next time. Bye. Yeah, it would be nice to have like 2-3 screens